What happens to a superpower when its eyes in the sky are suddenly blinded? For decades, Earth's orbit was a sanctuary for scientific cooperation, but today it is the ultimate high ground. We are moving from the era of exploration to the era of orbital weaponization. In modern conflict, the side that controls the satellites controls the battlefield. From kinetic interceptors to silent laser interference, the space above us has become a high-stakes arena where a single strike could collapse the global communications grid and shut down permanent space access for generations. 045 to 140. The Systemic Shift. Welcome to at World Strategy Lab. In this strategic briefing, we analyze the shift from space as a frontier to space as a contested domain. The backbone of modern warfare, GPS, real-time surveillance, and secure drone links relies entirely on satellite constellations. Superpowers have realized that terrestrial dominance is impossible without orbital supremacy. This isn't just about Star Wars fantasies, it's about weaponized infrastructure. We are seeing the deployment of dual-use satellites machines designed for repair or debris removal that can, with a single command, become stalker satellites, capable of physically disabling an adversary's hardware. In this new world order, every piece of orbital equipment is a potential target. 140 to 3. The chessboard and the kinetic risk strategy becomes orbital. The current great game is being played out in low Earth orbit. Russia and China have successfully tested direct ascent anti-satellite missiles, proving they can reach out and touch the West's most expensive assets. But the real threat isn't just the destruction of a satellite, it's the Kessler syndrome. One kinetic collision in space creates a cloud of thousands of high-speed fragments. These fragments trigger a chain reaction, destroying other satellites and creating a permanent barrier of debris that could make Earth's orbit unusable for human flight. We are witnessing a nuclear option in space, a strategy where an adversary might choose to destroy the orbit entirely rather than allow a rival to dominate it. Meanwhile, laser dazzling and electronic jamming have become the new Cold War of the 21st century, allowing nations to disable satellites without firing a single shot. 3 o'clock to 4:15. The World Strategy Lab takeaway. The structural reality is clear. Terrestrial power is now a subsidiary of orbital power. The nations that can defend their constellations and threaten those of their rivals will dictate the diplomatic terms of the future. 4:15 to 4:30. Conclusion. In grand strategy, the highest ground always wins. As orbit becomes weaponized, the line between global communication and global conflict has never been thinner.